What it is, it ain't, and what it ain't, it is. It's a theme where we're going.
See the policeman, notice the lonely man. How do you think he keeps his head on straight? Can you feel his rhythm? What do you think he visions when he squints at the line from behind those shades? Feel the summer's crest, overdressed in so much sweat. His skin begins to shake, it's the surface sweat, the nervous mess overbearing and shaking.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's John Erikson with Sun Clean. We want to start this vlog, man, to get you guys situated here on the job site, finishing up. Things are going well. We should be finishing up in about 2 weeks. If you don't know who we are, we're a multi-family contract cleaning company. We clean anywhere from 200 to 1,000 units at a time. Big contract cleaning jobs for these owner builders. Anyways, enough about my business. Really, what I'm here for is not for that. I'm actually here for you guys. I'm here to help you guys out and try to get you to the next level when it comes to entrepreneurship, business, life, whatever it's going to take to elevate you to the next level. And something I was thinking about recently is passion, and a lot of people talking about passion. A lot of people talking about how they need to follow their passion in order to be happy or in order to be successful. From my experience, and this is my take on it, okay, is success brings passion more than passion brings success. Now, let me break that down a little bit. You might say, John, what are you talking about? When I'm saying this, I mean, at the end of the day, everybody's saying passion, you got to follow your passion. You got to play basketball, right? If you love basketball, you got to play basketball. You love surfing, you got to surf. You love skateboarding, you got to skate. Whatever it is, man, you don't got to do what you love to do, man. In order to be successful, you got to do the things that you don't want to do, right? That's what gets you successful. That's what makes you stand out over the rest of the crowds, the masses, man. Everybody and their mother's trying to be a personal trainer. Everybody and their mother's trying to be a professional surfer and a professional basketball player, man. You want to do this thing, you want to do entrepreneurship, you want to start a business, man, go away from the masses, okay? Do something, be successful, and I guarantee you the success of whatever it is you're doing is going to bring so much passion. You're just going to be like, man, what was I thinking? You know, when you're cashing those checks, your team around you's winning. Everybody's winning. Dude, you're going to feel so much passion. It's not even funny. Okay. That's what I mean by passion. Success brings passion more than passion brings success. And I just want you guys not to get it twisted. Don't get caught up in that, man. Just trying to follow your dreams on everything. You got to do the things that suck, man, in entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is business, anything. You could be working for another company. I call those intrapreneurs. Okay, I read a book and it was a beautiful word, because maybe you're working for a business and that's fine. This information goes for you too, okay? You got to be humble, man. Whether it's cleaning toilets or cleaning windows or washing dishes at a restaurant, man, it don't matter what you're doing. Just do it at your best. Do it at the highest capacity, the highest level. Because if you can do it at the highest level, you're gonna win, man. That's how I won. That's how I've won in the last 4 businesses that I've ran, and they haven't even reached nearly the success that I'm trying to do. So I'm nobody, guys. But I guarantee you, you watch my journey, we're gonna go somewhere. You guys can follow this journey. I'm going to build this company into a $5-10 million company, and everybody's going to win, okay? Now, going back to the humble part and going back to being grateful for whatever it is you're doing, okay, that's important, okay? Because if you're waking up every day and you're going to your job or you're going to work or you're running your company and you're like, man, I don't want to be here. I don't want to be doing this. I don't know. I just don't know about this, okay? That is going to defeat you in your success, okay? But if you're waking up every day and you're going to that job, or you're owning that company and you're doing things and you give it 110%, do that for 12 months. Do it for 12 months, okay? See what happens at the end of the 12 months. What I like to do is put little markers. You know what? If I don't like this right now, I don't care. I'm gonna do this for the next 9 months, no matter what. And in 9 months, if I got nothing out of this from giving it 100%, I'm gonna see what has came from it. At the end of the 9 months, 10 out of 10 times, usually I've gotten success. Things have happened for me. Moves have been made. Money has been made. Things happen, okay? And that's what I'm telling you. Do what you got to do. Go out there. Do it for 9 to 10, 12 months. Be patient, okay? And watch you succeed. But don't get caught up in, oh, I love lifting weights, so I got to be a weight trainer. I love playing basketball, so I got to be a professional basketball player. I love acting, so I got to be an actor. I love movies, so I got to be a producer. Okay, that's cool. Don't get me wrong, man. I'm not saying you can't do what you love to do, but what I'm saying is whatever the opportunity that you're in right now, okay, follow that opportunity, because that's going to bring the success that you're ultimately looking for if you give it 110%, okay? That's basically what I'm trying to say. And be patient. Everybody these days wants everything now. They want it right now. And I don't blame you. Everybody wants instant gratification. Okay, we grew up in a society of Instagrams and Facebooks and YouTube and etc. We get instant gratification on everything, especially millennials, right? That's what we're used to. I'm a millennial, okay? But you gotta be patient, man. You gotta wait. You gotta love the process. And I think that's the difference between me and a lot of other business people, and why I win. Okay, it's because I don't give a fuck what I'm doing. I don't care if I'm washing toilets or washing windows. Sure, I'm a human, and sometimes it's like, fuck, what am I doing? Okay, but at the end of the day, I know I'm grateful for it, and I want to give 110%. And when I get those checks at the end of the month, dude, I guarantee you, man, I'm through the roof. I'm like, yeah, I'm good. I'm chilling, man. What I really want to be doing, what I love to do more than what I'm doing now. And I'll tell you right now, I am doing what I love to do, because it doesn't matter if I'm cleaning windows or I'm cleaning toilets. I love the game of entrepreneurship, business, man. I love business. That's my game. That's what I love to do. So it wouldn't matter what I'm doing. Start loving the process a little bit more, guys. Start loving what it is you're doing and the process of coming up and becoming that bomb-ass entrepreneur, or that badass employee, or whatever it is you're trying to succeed, the badass student, badass photographer, whatever, okay? Love what you do, man. Just love the process and you'll win, okay? Tell yourself every day, I love the process, I love the process, okay? And you'll win. Simple as that, man. I guarantee that's going to be some of the best advice you've ever had, some of the best advice I was told, and it made sense to me, because I'm like, dude, that's exactly how I feel. And that's exactly how I need to continue to feel, okay? Anyways, thanks for listening to me rant. This was just a quick rant. This is our vlog, man. We're going to get it started. We're going to give you so much cool information. It's all free, bro. I run a company. I don't need nothing from you, okay? I don't need you guys giving me money. I don't want shit from you. All I want from you guys is to watch this, man. Learn something, okay? And watch this company succeed, because I want to give back if I can, man. That's another part of my purpose, okay? Building a company and being able to give back to you guys that are trying to do the same shit, whether it's come up in your job or build a business or get promoted, whatever it is, I want to give that back to you guys, okay? So anyways, I appreciate you guys watching. If you watch this video, subscribe. I think it should be down here somewhere, okay? And tune in with us, man. It's gonna be epic, okay? We're gonna try to give you something a little bit different, give you that step by step. We're not gonna just give you just enough and then try to trick you into buying something. We're gonna give you the whole shebang, dude, okay? Nothing hold back. Whatever it is I can give you, and whatever I can teach you, I'm going to. And remember, guys, I'm giving you my experiences, okay? I'm not freaking Yoda, okay? I don't know everything, right? But I do know a little bit about business. I've been in this game for about 7-8 years now, and I've been in sales and business for the last decade, okay? So that's my field, that's my expertise. I eat, breathe, and shit this, okay? It's what I do, man, okay? So continue to watch, man, and try to learn something, okay? Talk to you guys later.